How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch back again with another paintless dent repair video. So today we have a Maserati. Damage is on the fender. You probably already saw that, and I think it's a great opportunity to use the pirate hook that Ryan here is unwrapping for me. Oh, let's switch up. There we go. So this is going to be my second time using it, so hopefully it gives me the leverage that I need. I used it on a F350 door, aluminum door yesterday, and it was great. I put a 2x4 inside the door, was able to leverage right off of it. So let's get started with this repair. Say time is money, and the more time we spend, what changes the price. But really, you know, you get paid for the value that you bring to the table. So if I have to work on aluminum, then obviously I'm bringing more value as my experience and, you know, my skill level. So then that what equates to more money. It just takes a higher level of skill to work on aluminum, or sharper dent, or even some of these locations are very tough to get access to. It could be using the proper tools. I mean, that all equates to a value, adding that value to the customer, getting that job done in a timely fashion, which then adds to the price because you're adding value. Alright, so we are about, I guess about maybe 70% into this repair. It's almost, oh man, it's kind of dark. It is almost done. I want to show you kind of what it looks like with the natural light. Again, I've been doing just the cleanup. I call it cleanup time, you guys know that. So I probably got another hour cleaning this up. I want to show you what it looks like right now. So some people will probably stop right then and right there, but it still needs a little bit of work. Like again, another hour maybe an hour and a half to get it right. It's a non-aluminum panel, steel panel. I don't know if it's high strength steel or not, but we're gonna keep at it, so stay tuned. Alright, before I show you guys the after, I'm going to go over a little bit of tools that I use for this repair. It's a little unique, and a lot of times you guys are always wondering what tools I use. Now, as far as the skill level on this repair, I would give it a 7 or 8. You needed definitely to know, have the technique in mind to repair this. So again, let's go over the tools. Trusty dent dowel. I use the rubber ball that you get from Dentcraft. It's a rubber 1-inch ball. You can just call them and get the part number in order if you're interested. But this is a 22 heavy. I didn't use much of my blending hammers, but I used another Dentcraft rubber ball. This is the blue. The blue and the red is different, so make sure you get the blue. I really like the blue. So I used a little bit of Sal's slapper tapper. What I really need to do with this slapper tapper is take the leather off and polish the end. So that's what I'm going to start doing once I get time. So I use the Pdr Light, which I really like that light. It casts a bigger fade over the entire repair, so I just don't miss anything. And as my my cross light would be the Stucky light. Again, I like the light. It was pretty bright, so that's that. And the one tool that also stuck out was the pirate hook from Stanliner. I just actually got this in, and if you look at the tip, I was able to do a little roll and pull action with it. And I think that's what makes, or one of the reasons that makes this tool unique. So this was my finishing tool more so than my starting tool. I started with the dent dowel and finish it with this. I almost started with this. I tried to at least, but it just was not working out. So Stanliner has different techniques of how to repair dents. So definitely go over to his YouTube channel or his website, and you can get some tips on how to use his tools. But on this case, I was using it pretty much as a finishing tool, kind of pushing and dragging. But it is a very, very good tool. Very strong, no flex into this tools. All right, guys, so let me show you the finished repair, what it took about 5 hours to do. Here you go. Hey guys, so if you're liking what you're seeing, you're liking the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.